Hello, my name is Chris Pyle and today I'm going to show you how to operate the JCB AGRI Pro loader with the award-winning and unique Dualtech Variable Transmission featuring both hydrostatic and power shift drive, providing the best of both worlds for both low speed working in the yard and high speed driving and towing at speeds up to 40 kph. The AGRI Pro features a variation on the standard drive pattern. By selecting D, the Dualtech VT is fully automatic from 0 to 40 kph. Forward, neutral and reverse can be selected on the joystick. The direction of travel is shown on the screen alongside the gear selected. Different gears can be selected by pressing the upshift or the downshift button. By pressing and holding the upshift button for 3 seconds, the machine will automatically skip to D. By pressing and holding the downshift button for 3 seconds, the machine will automatically skip down to gear 1. Selecting different gears limits the top speed of the machine. The machine will always start off in first gear and automatically shift up to the gear selected. In gear 1, the machine is in hydrostatic drive only and will drive up to 19 kph. In gear 2, the machine will start off in gear 1 and move into gear 2 and drive up to 23 kph. Gear 3, the machine will drive up to 32 kph. In gear 4 or D, the machine will drive up to 40 kph, providing fully automatic gear selection up through the range. In reverse, the machine will drive in hydrostatic up to 19 kph. The AGRI Pro features an auto 2 4-wheel drive disconnect function that provides an automatic switch from 4-wheel drive to 2-wheel drive once speed is increased. With the auto 4-wheel drive switch in the off position, the machine will be in 4-wheel drive up to 40 kph. By turning on the auto 4-wheel drive switch, the machine will be in 4-wheel drive up to 20 kph, and then once into the mechanical gears, will switch into 2-wheel drive. And this is rear wheel drive. This is to help with traction on the road when towing a load with weight on the back end of the machine. For fine, precise control when working close to the loading point, the Dualtech VT features an inching function in the brake pedal. Inching is available in hydrostatic drive only and is integrated into the first 30% of the brake pedal travel. This feature will slow the transmission whilst you can rev the engine up for fast hydraulics when loading. The AGRI Pro features an Eco and Power mode to match the machine's behaviour to the application. By selecting Eco mode, the machine is smoother, quieter and more economical, perfect for lighter duty applications. In Power mode, the machine is more reactive with higher engine revs and faster acceleration, perfect for heavier duty applications and towing. Eco and Power mode can be selected at any time. The AGRI Pro features Flexi Mode, which provides the ability to individually set both engine speed and maximum travel speed, perfect for when loading or using a constant auxiliary attachment. Your maximum travel speed can be altered at any time, while stationary or on the move. The percentage value on the screen represents the maximum travel speed dependent on engine RPM and load. The maximum travel speed that can be set with the speed controller in Flexi Mode is 19 kph. The maximum set speed can be achieved by pressing the drive pedal straight down to the floor. To set the engine speed, give the hand throttle a short press forwards. The RPM will automatically increase to 1500. Subsequent forward short presses will increase the engine speed by another 100 RPM. To get to maximum RPM, press and hold the hand throttle forwards for 3 seconds. To reduce RPM, a short press backwards will reduce it by 100 RPM each time, or pressing and holding the hand throttle backwards for 3 seconds will reduce the engine speed back to idle. To enter Flexi Mode, Put the machine in gear 1, then press and hold the downshift button for 3 seconds. A snail icon will appear on the screen. And finally, to exit Flexi Mode, give the upshift button a short tap and the machine will return to gear 1. So there you have it. That was how to operate the unique features of the AGRI Pro Loader with Dualtech VT. This is available in the 53170, 53670, 54170, 53660, 53595 and the 56080. For more information, please visit our website or contact your local dealer.